So this is how you can fix Gboard talk to text not working. Now, if you can't get the voice typing thing to work, you might have set it up wrong, because usually when you first open Gboard, this is what you see. So if you still see this, you're going to want to tap on get started and make sure, it brings you to this screen right here. If it doesn't, just go to apps and search for Gboard. It should be right here. There we go. I've opened it now. So tap on keyboards and make sure that this is turned on. If it isn't, then it's not going to be able to use your microphone in order to type. So make sure this is turned on and allow full access is turned on. So once you tap on full access, everything will be, given to Gboard. You can now get the text to speech thing, and yeah, it's actually quite easy. Just go back and then there you go. You can now tap on the globe to switch to Gboard, and then as you can see, there's a mic at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can tap on that and basically say whatever you want, and then Gboard will automatically type it out for you. So it really is that easy. Once again, just go to the apps, look for Gboard, right there, tap on keyboards, and make sure that that is turned on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.